Hello everyone, welcome back to another new recipe. You know what it is? It's a raw mango chutney. It's very delicious and easy to make and in a sattvic style. So, let's make this beautiful, tasty, yummy, easy chutney. So, what all ingredients we require? First of all, mangoes, right? I have taken here raw mango and I have peeled the skin, and we have chopped this into small pieces. So it's looked like yellow color, but it's not. It's a raw mango, and you can use that raw mango. Raw mango has the sourness, right? So we will cut this and keep ready. And what are things we require for making chutney? See, two types of chutney I'm making. For one type of chutney, what I'm taken is coconut, raw coconut, raw fresh coconut, and mango is the same quantity. Half of that I have taken roasted gram dal. So one curry leaf and one chili and salt and jaggery. See, these are the ingredients we require. We require even the turmeric also. I didn't shown here, but you have to add later. So first what we are doing is we are adding only coconut to a mixer jar, and we will grind this. So because coconut, it should be like paste fast. After, if you add the mangoes now itself, it won't grind properly. So first we grind the coconut, and now you add all the remaining ingredients except this mangoes. Okay, and grind that also. See, okay, now this is not a smooth paste, right? You have to add little water, then it will be smooth paste. So before that, adding here turmeric little bit. So like you can take like a quarter spoon or 1/8 spoon is also fine. So add some water and just grind it so into smooth paste, or not like chutney kind of thing. Okay, and it's done actually. See, chutney kind of gravy should be there, right? The thickness you can make out, right? Now we will add this mangoes will grind so fast, so it doesn't take much time, only little bit. So we will grind this mangoes now, and the chutney is ready. It's awesome, delicious, very tasty, yummy. Wow, isn't it easy? Very easy, right? And you can taste, if any less salt or something, you can just add it and just grind it. The sourness is there, and spice is there, and salt is there. Wow, delicious, super, and very easy. So now we can go for another chutney. We will make another type of chutney. For this, only little vary is there. For that, we are adding here mustard seeds and methi seeds. You know, the same amount, like a half of teaspoon I have taken, and just warm it off. Don't burn it, just warm it little bit. And we are using this for chutney instead of gram dal, roasted gram dal. So so we will take this in a plate and let it cool. Then we will add this to chutney. Okay, now see that now all the ingredients are here except turmeric powder. So roasted mustard seeds and methi, and one chili, salt, and jaggery, and one curry leaf string, coconut, giri, right, and mango. So first, same thing, we will do the coconut giri and jaggery, and this roasted thing, and salt, one chili. We are grinding it now itself. Then we will add this mango later. But see, before that only we are adding now. Same thing we did for the other chutney, right? We will add turmeric and water. We will grind. Add some water and just grind it. And now see, chutney is ready, but only except mango is not there, right? Now we will add this mango, and we will give one more grind, and see, chutney is ready. So easy, right? And ready to go. It's easy to make and delicious also. And you can make out the difference of chutney. It's only slight little taste difference you can find out.
It's very nice. And for this two chutney, I'm giving tadka. I'm not adding here any oil, right? Just dry roast these mustard seeds and jeera. If you want, you can add, or else you can just skip it. And curry leaves and one chili. So just dry roast it, and we will give this as a tadka. And chutney is ready. It will go for any rotis or the dosa or even rice for everything. Chutney you can have this for anything. So delicious, yummy, super duper easy, and sattvic style also, right? And yeah, let me know. You have to make this and let me know in the comment how it turned out. So okay, guys, see you in the next video. Namaste.